what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, as we see, today is the 2nd when you will be watching this. This week is gone. And I completely forgot to upload this video. I'm sitting up here like, why didn't I record this? So, yeah, well, you're still gonna receive. This is my plan with me for the week. So, yeah. So, I'm back at work in the office 2 days. 5 hours to 3 hours at home. I still am glued to Zoom meetings. I had a WIC civil rights training to do. It's yearly. It's not a very long test, but it's a good test. We have to remember and stay on top of how we treat our clients and things like that. Mondays and Wednesdays are my OB clinic days, 5 hours. I had one meeting. Here for April, I had two meetings, but I also had to complete some state trainings for security, privacy, discrimination, equities, and things like that. So I had to get that done. Then I still had to do my OB follow-ups, which I should have put here because the OB follow-ups, actually, I will, because those are still OB follow-ups are done every day. OB follow-up and WIC follow-up. Okay, that's done every day. Why didn't I write that in? I was rushing. So I call myself trying to get on track and get to uploading. But honey, life sometimes, it is what it is. And then WIC follow-up. And then this is OB follow-up. And then WIC client follow up. And just to give you a little feedback on the OB follow-ups. Basically, I am in charge. And it's another young lady too. We call back anyone that's giving birth at our hospital and ask you, how was your stay? We want to know, were you treated fairly? What did you like or didn't like? How can we do better? Do you need help breastfeeding? Do you need help formula feeding? This yarning is going to be the death of all of us. Okay, I know y'all sick of me. But it's late and I want to get this video recorded and uploaded. So I'm not going to hold y'all long. And we track, I don't track it, but I submit the information. It goes to who it needs to go to. They tally it up, and if they need to do a follow-up with those moms, they will. Okay, so that is something I do every day that I work. Over here, tomorrow, I am off for Good Friday. Ain't doing shit. Okay, SHAT, ain't doing it. That's really that, okay? Still doing our Zoom and wine with the besties. I got movies to catch up. I got some laundry. Really, seriously, fuck laundry. There will be drinks. There will be drinks. April 4th, yeah. Sunday. Bish, we resting. Okay, it's Easter Sunday, bish. Yes. There will be no bra. Okay, Easter Sunday will be with just me and my immediate family. Priorities will be to finish my best friend's taxes. I got to do those. And maybe try to get some Uber Eats and DoorDash done over the weekend. And that's really it for this week. It wasn't a real hectic week. Next week, actually, which I got to start recording, I have 1, 2, and then on the 28th, I have 3 days of training. The 7th, the 8th, and the 28th. And I think that's it for this week, except for my other stuff. And it might be something else coming up. I'll add it. So, yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Y'all, I'm trying to get back consistent or just at least upload once a week. But the one thing I always say, it don't matter what this YouTube or social media has, your mental health, your family, your life, everything above social media. All of that. And so many people say, oh, YouTube is easy. You just got to upload a video. It can be, but if you want to actually plan something, talk, have a conversation, and put up a video, try to do some type of editing, it takes time. You got to sit there. You got to record it. You may have to re-record it. And like me, I don't edit good. I try to do all my videos in one take. I still haven't figured out the clip. Like, I use KineMaster mobile app, and every time I've tried to clip, I get rid of the whole video. I'm gonna keep practicing. But no matter what, nothing on social media gonna come above me making sure I'm good with what I gotta handle in real life. Because this is some of real life, because I'm just telling you, but I could be a liar. You know, this is not real life to the letter. So you gotta take care of you. You especially, it's sad that it takes a pandemic to get people more to realize that their mental health is so important, but it is what it is. Your mental health is important. Now, if YouTube is your income and you use this to pay your bills, you know, I mean, like primarily it pays your bills, then yeah, you got to be on it, because it is what it is. Hey, cat, shush. You wait till I start recording to start me. Shush. Y'all, that's it on this video. I'm gonna wrap it up because cat want to be helen. That cat crying back there like a kid that you done just fed, that wait till you get on and you know, somebody around people to start talking about, I'm hungry. Girl, goodbye. All right, thanks for coming back. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. It'll be somewhere, okay? Somewhere. If you're an OG, welcome back. Thank you for hanging out with your girl. And again, I appreciate you all. Stay safe. I'll be back with another video.